I know damn well I'm not the only one that wakes up this early for some damn car shit. God damn, I'm tired. The crack of motherfucking dawn. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. So, I wasn't even gonna bring the camera, to be honest, because there's really like no action, nothing, I guess, fun happening today. I'm just thinking up with one of my old boys. He's a photographer. If you guys are OG subscribers, followers, if you remember those really sick rollers I did with my G35, like right after I painted it, yeah, it's the same guy that took those rollers. So I've known him for a while. We got some sick shots back in the day, and we always kind of stayed in contact here and there. Oh boy, you're gonna have to watch the rocks. Whoa, champ. I am the only person on YouTube with the Spec R S15 in California, so it's just me driving this from A to B is content, I guess. But yeah, man, I love this car. Surprisingly, the SR hasn't blown up yet. I mean, I don't think this shit will blow up with doing like 4 pounds. All right, we here at an undisclosed location. Sheesh, how clean that thing is.
Much later.
Hey, look at that. Just got blurped. Man, he was on me. Crazy. So yeah, we had a little confrontation, but he couldn't do shit, so let me go. I understand. They are hot. They are hot here.
The very next evening.
So, in this box here, M2 exhaust. Let's get to it. I don't keep knives on me, so ain't nothing a flathead won't fix. This unboxing stuff is pretty cool because it's the first time I'm seeing it, so you know, we're opening this together. I'm so pumped to have this exhaust. I mean, that car is way too quiet. Oh, hello. Big shout out to Valvetronic Designs. We're hooking your boy up on this exhaust. Look at the wheel, look at the wheel. How did that tell me, dog? Nope. It's a Valvetronic, dog. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was actually thinking about doing a custom Tomei exhaust on my M2. Like, it would have been a first, and it would have been pretty cool, but it's like, nah, I'll do it for another car. Thing out. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put all this shit because I'm literally running out of room, bro. I have 3 garages and they're like all full of shit. But I'm super pumped to get this on. I've been like dying to have an exhaust on that car because it's just entirely too quiet. I'm not gonna unwrap all this stuff because I have to throw it in the car, take it to the shop. My boys 412 Motorsports are gonna install everything over there. I already have my downpipe, so we're gonna be doing the full exhaust, downpipe, charge pipe, probably like a few other little things, and we're gonna get a boot mod tune on it. So yeah, just a real simple setup. I'm not trying to go crazy with this car. Like I said, it's my daily. It's like pretty much a new car. I haven't even hit 9,000 miles, so I don't want to do too much to it. It's still under warranty. So worst comes to worst, something happens to it, easily I could just take the downpipe off in the tune and like boom, take it back to the dealer. So I could warranty this shit, because yeah, I mean, you start messing with the feel and upgrade a turbo and manifold, all that other shit, then it's just, if something happens to it, it's just more money and more BS that you have to go through trying to put the car back to pretty much stock. So yeah, well, I'll be pretty much chilling for a while after the exhaust, after full exhaust downpipe tune. I'm predicting the car will probably make, you know, there's probably gonna be people out there like, oh bro, just a tune, you're gonna make like 580 wheel. No, it don't work like that, bro. The car put down 350 as is, so I'm gonna assume another 50 wheel, 60 wheel, and it should be more than enough fun at that power. Like I said, I got 3 other cars that are gonna have over 500-600. So today's currently Sunday. I'm not taking it to the shop until Wednesday, so we got a layover for a few days. So I'm not gonna open everything. I will open this. Peep this right here. This is sick. Put this back on. Look at that. Sheesh. I'm trying to focus. Let me give you some light. So I don't know if you guys can see what's going on over here. Ooh. Look at that right there. We got forged carbon on the tips. I got granite countertop tips. What's good? Oh, that shit looks sick. This would be a nice little touch on the back. The forge honestly isn't too noticeable. The more it looks just kind of like black, honestly. Without light on it, it just looks black, so that's cool. Very nice. Borat approves. Alright, so enough of that. Guess what we have over here in this box? This is for the S15, and guess where the hell it came from? What in the... Ordered this from the man himself, Kangaroo Jack. I'm weak. I crack myself up. I really make myself laugh. Anyways, this is the Aero kit for the S15. It actually came pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie. So shout out to Flow Designs out there in Australia. The shipping, I mean, shit, coming from damn near around the whole world. I think it came in like, I wanna say a week and a half, 2 weeks. I really needed this. Every car I feel like needs some kind of Aero kit, side splitters, front lip. It's kind of just like the car needs it, you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, it's not carbon fiber. I already knew that the S15 was gonna be static life. I had to, so it's like a high quality, like I want to say poly, like real flexible material. So it's super low friendly. I shouldn't have any problems with breaking it or scraping it, nothing like that. They actually offer a 10-year warranty on it. So if it breaks or whatever, I guess send it back to them and send me another one. So shout out to them. Let's get to opening that, see how that looks. Bam, bam. Very nice. That's so cool to see that, bruh. Like getting parts specifically made for a Silvia S15. It's the coolest shit ever, honestly. This ain't no 240 shit. Silvia S15. What we have in here, instructions. So from my knowledge, I don't think I need to do any cutting, anything extra. It already has like an OEM Aero kit, and I believe all this bolts right up to the OEM holes. So I don't think I need to do any like extra screwing or anything. I'm not sure. I don't know. That looks like a lot of goddamn bolts. So give this some. Look at that. 10-year warranty. Like, how can you say no to that? I hope you hold up to that warranty, because when I'm 39 years old, I'm gonna be pulling it off my car and I'm gonna break it on purpose so I can get a new one. Because I'm definitely gonna have the S15 in 10 years. Hopefully that car is worth like 1.2 million and I'll just sell it to some rich guy. So F. Actually just noticed this right now. Strong as I guess you could put whatever you want there. Strong as freak, strong as fook, strong as fruit. That's really cool that they offer a warranty like that. I don't really know any splitter companies that offer a warranty that long. So clearly, this is some good shit. You guys know me and my goddamn lips and splitters. Like they fly off, they break them. I just be going through shit. Surprisingly, I actually didn't hit them up beforehand and trying to get like any kind of sponsorship or work with them or anything. I just ordered it. So I'm pretty sure they would have been more than willing to work with me and give me a little discount, but it's all good. Maybe in the future if they come out with some new stuff, or I don't know, maybe they'll see this video, they'll hook me up with some other stuff. But shout out to them, man. I'm excited to put this on. Oh, we got hardware, baby. God damn, build me a couple skateboards with this shit. It's a lot of goddamn washers and shit, yeah. Shit. That's really cool. They actually give you like a lot of little, you know, stickers and little air fresheners and shit. I wonder if this smells like a kangaroo pouch. I don't know. Yo, this shit looks like a hockey stick. Oh, weak. Very nice. Yeah, this is there's no way I'm breaking this, dog. This shit is like, yeah. I can scrape this thing a million times and it's good. So, this, I'm not sure if this is gonna work because I feel like my bumper is missing a piece on it. I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this quite yet. I'm hoping that this works because if not, there's another piece to my rear bumper that I need that this works with, and yeah, that piece is like $1,000, bro. And so far, it's really hard to find, and from what I've seen, it's like a G. I'm like, damn, bro, I'm not really trying to buy that. It's the only thing about S15, bro, all the parts and like trying to find shit for them. Good luck. Look at this thing, so freaking beautiful. Can't get over it. Like every time I pop my garage, bro, I'm just like, this shit is insane. So a lot of you guys probably won't know this. I mean, some of you guys might be familiar with this, but on some S15s, there's like an extra, I wanna say, piece. I don't even know what this shit's called, bro. It kind of looks something like this. It looks similar to something like that, but it's right here. So it just gives the rear bumper more of an aggressive look. And I don't know if that's OEM, like if it's stock and mine just doesn't have it because they repainted it and never put it back on, or they never had it. I don't know. I just know there's an add-on that goes right here, and I'm not sure if this is for that or if this is gonna work with this. So I'm just gonna take one of them out and kind of mock it up just to see if it fits. I really hope it does, because I saw the piece online. It was all beat up and shit, and they wanted like $1,000 for it, and it was like somewhere out of the country. I'm like, man, I don't know about that. I don't really know. But if this works with this, I'll be completely happy, because that means I don't need the other piece. I could just use this. Nah, because the holes are way off. That's so perfect too. Like it adds so much look to the car. Man, I'm sad now. I mean, that hole, see, there's like a piece, I don't know if you guys can see this right here. This is like a piece of the chassis. Obviously, I can't move that. So, this is not, yeah, like the holes don't line up at all. So that extension, I'm assuming it sits probably about, that's where the holes are supposed to be. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna need that extension piece if I wanna put this on, which freaking sucks. That's basically kind of how it would sit. But you see what I mean by you see the holes? Like I could just customize it and make it work, but the holes are gonna be there and I'm not feeling that. So that's pretty much, you know, just adds that extra aggressiveness. Found it. It's this thing right here. So I guess they call them rear pods. So yeah, that's the piece I need. And they go for like $1,000. Oh man, too much shit, bro. True reason why I haven't been riding the bike, it's just been too damn hot, bro. And it's like, I just been super busy. I just really don't have time for it. I'd rather have 8 grand in my account versus this death wish just sitting here collecting dust. But probably in the future, honestly, I'll probably get a 1,000 like later on, maybe next year or the year after. I don't know, I don't really care. The whole exhaust system chilling. Like I said, slapping that on Wednesday. Super excited for it. It is a valvetronic exhaust system, so if you don't know what that means, Obviously it has valves right here that has vacuum lines hooked up to it, and you can open and close them simply by a button. Oh yeah. Hey, that's so sick. Yo, you know what this looks like? This looks like the Huracan start button. That's badass. I have no idea how that shit works or how you hook it up. I don't know. I'm gonna let them do it. But yeah, that's gonna be super sick. That's gonna be sick. Can't wait. So yeah, it's gonna be dope. At the touch of a button, I'll be able to close the valves. The car pretty much sound almost stock, and then hit that button and boom, full tome. So I'm excited for that. I can't wait, man. I have a tune on the car. It feels cool stock, but I know another like 50, 60 horsepower will definitely make it feel that much better. So I'm excited. I'm more excited for the sound just because every car I have has to have an exhaust, bro. Like it's a must, you know what I'm saying? If you have a sports car, if you don't have an exhaust on it, like why do you have a sports car? Yeah, these are the blemishes I'm gonna show you guys on the bumper. Kind of why I don't want to put the lip on yet. I mean, it's not like horrible, but yeah, you can see cracking right there. Obviously we got little scrapes. Good from far, but far from good. So yeah, I want to get this repainted. It's real easy to put the lip on, so I might just throw it on just until I paint it. But I don't know. I kind of want to just get it painted. So we'll figure out what's happening with that. And yo, if anybody wants a lip for an R8, this thing right here has just been sitting here, bro. This is my carbon lip I had on the R8. Obviously, I was scraping it. I damaged it up a little bit, so it's been bondoed, and I had all the like imperfections fixed on it. But yeah, it's not really like carbon anymore. I mean, it is, but it ain't. You could easily just repaint it black or whatever color you want, color match it to the car. This is a 1016 carbon lip for a Gen 2 R8. I'll sell it for like 500 bucks. This shit's like 4 grand, so fat come up, just repaint it, color match it to your car, paint it black, whatever. I also have the side skirts. Those are like in pretty much brand new condition, carbon fiber. So holla at me if you guys are interested. Gen 2 R8 front lip, and I have side skirts. I am pulling the motor very, very soon, probably within the next month or two. There's already 5 or 10 people that DM me saying that they want to buy the motor, so I guess it's just gonna go to the highest bidder. Trans, motor, manifold. I mean, if you guys haven't seen it, it's really clean. The motor looks dope in here. I'm not an SR person. I never wanted an SR. To keep it all the way G, I'm not the biggest fan of 4 cylinders. I just don't really like the way they sound. The only 4 cylinder I ever really actually wanted was an Evo. I already had one. The car was a pain in the goddamn ass. But at the same time too, you know, it's bought not built. I didn't do none of this stuff to the car, so that's another reason why I'm just gonna sell it, because this isn't mine, you know what I'm saying? I can't really take pride in how this engine bay looks because I didn't do none of it. Somebody else did it. So even though it's cool and shit, whatever, it's original, that's cool, but I'm gonna put in a more reliable engine in here, make more power, easier, and more unique. So yeah, I'm gonna sell everything as is, man. Like literally blow-off valve, like intake manifold, little lines and shit, valve cover, exhaust manifold, turbo, piping, intercooler, trans. I'm gonna sell everything as is. I'm definitely gonna keep that strut bar though, so don't ask, because I'm gonna keep that. Even if it doesn't fit with the next motor, I'm still gonna keep it because it says Nismo on it. And I'm probably gonna keep that Nismo oil cap too, so bring your own. But yeah, I'm still as is. This is a 6-speed trans that comes in the Spec R, and that trans is actually pretty pricey. I went for around like 1,500, so that's just the trans alone. The motor, you know, all this clean shit, it's really clean. As far as like no leaks or nothing on the motor itself, it's pretty solid. Cool little come up for anybody that's a SR lover, you know, shit's really clean. So that's gonna be that. Definitely be on the lookout for the next video with the M2. We're gonna get the tune on there, exhaust. Like I said, appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. Catch you in the next video.